Alright, today we got another Air Jordan 1 High, and this is your typical box. Is it this hideous? We have the black box and the red logos all around it. And this has been sitting around my friend's house for a while because he hasn't sold it yet. Why does yours have extra laces, bro? I want extra laces. Alright, we got the smoke grays here, and you guys can see we have a white extra lace here. Can you throw that? The main differences that I see with these two are the materials, the gray materials here on the smoke gray, and it's something like a suede nubuck weird thing. It's not as smooth as this Tokyo colorway. And then, but the rest of the panels, the white panels here, and the red highlight here are all leather. And then the black spots here are also that same material here that I don't really understand. This is much cheaper, right? This was below 8,000 SRP, no? Alright, wait guys, let me check the receipt.
I told you, viewers.
8,095. So this one's still much more expensive by about 200 pesos. So 200 pesos for the box. But I still don't have extra laces. Why? Although this one's still much better for me. This one looks nicer, it looks cleaner, and it looks it looks better, bro. You have a black outsole, which is like much nicer than this one because it's easier to clean. But again, overall, I would choose the Tokyos over the smoke grays. Enough of the J1s. My friend also brought his Yeezy slides, but we do have a problem. These are the slides. And it doesn't even come with a box. Now he got this for, what, $10? About $10, that includes shipping already. And if you guys can guess what this is, of course this is a fake. Now, at first glance, man oh man, this is hideous. I mean, do we even have this colorway as a legit colorway? Really? Is it this hideous? I mean, I haven't touched a Yeezy slide at all, so I don't have any clue what it looks like and what it feels like. But according to the pictures he sent me, what do you call this outsole thing, it's much more dull. I guess I can show you guys pictures of it. And yeah, but why does this look like turd? Can I even say that?
It's $10. What do you expect?
I mean, look at the details. It's not smooth at all. And you have the size 45 down here. And size 45 should be a 10.5, right?
I think it's supposed to be 11.
Wait now, what does a size 45? It's supposed to be an 11.
It looks like 12 or 13.
Let's compare it to this one, which I think is fine. It's fine. This is a 44.5. But again, it's like very, very wide. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to get. What in the world is this? Do you guys see that? What the heck is that? Bro. Okay, both of them has it. $10. I'm not gonna wear this probably. Let's just... Alright, I'm disappointed with the Yeezy slides. I mean, it's fake and it's cheap. So I guess you can't blame anyone for that.